water. It's okay. But only if you're going to not sink. I'm going to put you on something that you can float on. Okay? Oh, my floaty socks. Where did I use my floaty socks? No. I can bring you a towel, and I'll bring you a blanket in case you want to get out and have a little rest. Okay, so we're going to have a purple blanket, and it has tickles under it, so do not, you have to use this side, this side, this side, so you won't get tickles. And I'll bring your toys. You're going to have to use these two, okay? At waterproof. Or you can just use one, two. Okay. It's time to go. Bye, house. No, we're not going home. Oh, I thought we're going home. Okay, we're here at the beach. I'm going to go set your stuff because some things are going to get wet. See? Dee-dee. So, in case, drink, right? Yeah. Case, not in the base. Case. Oh, case, not base. No, you can't. Yes, I can. No, you can't. Yes, I can.
Hey Nora, what are you playing?
Baby?
Yeah, what are you doing with your babies?
They're going to the beach.
Yeah? What kind of a beach?
The one with the water.
Cold beach or hot beach?
A hot beach.
Ooh, do they like to be in the water?
Yeah, but she can't swim.
And you made delicious food for them?
No, we're going to do it tomorrow.
Tomorrow. And is this her bed right here, the pink one?
Yeah, and this one too, in case she cries. She can sleep in there too.
Awesome. What's your baby's name?
Abby.
Abby.
We have a friend named Abby in our class, but she's not in our class. She's in a different class. She's in 5th grade.
Oh, okay. Oh, because Abby is Tilly's sister.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cool. All right. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Mommy. I love you so much. Mwah.